In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Meet in Gmail. Many of us use Gmail for our daily communications, and while Google Meet is a great feature, not everyone needs it cluttering up their inbox. Removing it from your view can simplify your workspace and make it easier to navigate. Let's dive in and learn how you can do just that. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Simply go to your inbox by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and logging in if prompted. Once logged in, you will see your inbox in front of you. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Gmail dashboard. Here, you'll spot a small gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides a quick glimpse into some of the settings you might frequently use. Once the menu is open, look for the option labeled See All Settings and click on it. This will redirect you to the full settings page, where you have access to a wide range of options to customize your Gmail experience. Inside the settings page, you will see several tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Chat and Meet. This is where you can manage both Google Chat and Google Meet settings. While some people may find these functions useful, disabling them can lead to a cleaner and less distracting inbox for others. Under the Meet section, you'll find the setting Show the Meet section in the main menu. What you want to do here is change this option to Hide the Meet section in the main menu. By selecting this, you're effectively removing the Google Meet feature from appearing in your Gmail sidebar, making your inbox appear a bit more streamlined. After making this change, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. It's crucial to save your adjustments so that they take effect. Gmail will briefly reload as it applies this new configuration, and voila, your inbox should now be free of the Google Meet section. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled Google Meet in your Gmail account, clearing up space and removing a distraction that you might not need. Remember, should you ever change your mind, you can easily revert these changes by following the same steps and opting to show the Meet section again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you customize your Gmail experience to suit your needs better. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.